Good morning, one and all. Now, in today's class, we'll be studying about the stages of project formulation. Okay. Now, in that, first one is what? Feasibility analysis. In that, sub points are there: pre-feasibility study and feasibility study. Now, what do you mean by pre-feasibility study? Pre means what? Before the analysis has to be done. Okay, as to how the project has to be started. Okay, then they have to decide the time duration for the project which is there. That is called as a pre-feasibility study. Okay, now first of all you need to understand that what do you mean by feasibility study? Means collection of information or gathering of data has to be done. Like suppose if you want to set up a new business or a new industry, it is not so very easy task to set up a new business or industry. For that purpose, the feasibility study had to be undertaken. Means collection of whatever required information is there, gathering of the data has to be done. Okay, like suppose imagine that if a manager has to set up a new furniture industry, then he has to decide that he has to first of all collect information about which kind of furnitures are available in market. Okay, then if they manufacture certain kind of the furnitures, whether they are having value or demand for that product in the market or not. Okay, then how the quality of the furniture should be there. So not only related to the furniture industry, but apart from that the other business also, if they want to start cloth manufacturing products and all that, so they need to first of all gather the data, or they need to collect the data or information, and then they need to provide the whatever required information to different people. So that is called as a pre-feasibility study. Pre means what? In advance or before, they need to set a proper plan and they need to gather whatever the information or data available. The next one is what? Feasibility study. Now what do you mean by feasibility study? Now it has been dependent upon the different factors. Okay, maybe social, technological, economic analysis. Okay, so they have to undertake this kind of a feasibility study. Like suppose take example that proper economic analysis has to be done. Economic means what? Like they need to see that whether there is a proper demand and supply for that products or no in the market. Okay, whether the customers are demanding the products. When the customers are demanding the products, then only there will be a proper supply. That time only the company can try to supply those products in the market. That is economic analysis. Okay, apart from that there should be social, technological analysis. Okay, social means what? Related to the society. And technological analysis means how new advanced technological machines can be brought in the organization. Okay, then due to the advancement in the science and technology, how they can try to implement the new technology. The next one, project report. Now what do you mean by project report? Project report means what? A detailed report has to be prepared. Okay, like some calculations are to be done. Now further when we study this module, we need to calculate some parts which are there. Like suppose take for example land and building. So when they want to purchase the land, they have to decide how many acres of land is required. Okay, then what is the cost of land and what is the cost of construction of the building. Okay, then this some calculations are there for land and building. Now if they want to purchase the raw materials, for that also how much is the cost required for raw materials. Okay, then different kind of machinery equipments which are required. Okay, then these all things, the calculation part is there in the project report. Okay, so they have to prepare a detailed profitability projection. Now what do you mean by profitability projection? Means whether the company is earning profit or not. Okay, now if the sales are there, are more, okay, then what are the other expenditure required, so that everything we need to determine. The next one is techno-economic analysis. Now what do you mean by techno-economic analysis? Techno means what? Technological analysis. Like as I've told you that how there will be the advancement in the science and technology, how the new trends are coming, new businesses are coming. Okay, so how they can try to implement the new technology. And economic analysis. Economic analysis is also based on the economic which is there, okay, like whether the products are having demand in the market, okay, then how there will be a proper supply. So this all will come in the economic analysis, that is techno-economic analysis. Means technological analysis should be done whether the products are having demand in the market or not, okay, which new trends or new technology has been advanced, and plus economic analysis. The next one is input analysis. Now in input analysis, two terms you need to remember, that is identification and evaluation of the project. Now first of all you need to understand what do you mean by identification. Identification means what? They need to try to identify or find out which kind of the products are being used, or which kind of the products are good in the market. So that is called as identification, trying to identify, try to find out, okay. Then evaluation of the analysis. Evaluation means what? After trying to identify, or after they will try to judge or find out, okay, which kind of the products are there, they need to evaluate. Evaluate means what? Proper judgment of the analysis has to be done, whether it is in a good condition or not. The next one is social cost benefits. Now social cost benefits means what? Now whether this project formulation which is there, it is related to the society, it is benefited or beneficial to the society or not, that is social cost benefits. The next one is project appraisal. Now first of all you need to understand the basic term. What do you mean by appraisal? Appraisal means what? Giving the ratings and gradings, okay. Now usually we give the ratings and gradings to the workers which are there, like suppose which employees are scoring a excellent performance, very good, good average, poor performance, like that way ratings will be given for the employees, okay. But project appraisal means what? Now whether the project is good or whether the project is not up to mark, okay, for that appraisal had to be given, like rating need to be given for that. So these are the stages of project formulation. First one is feasibility study. In that way seen, pre-feasibility study means before only they need to do a proper study, okay, like gathering the data or collection of information has to be done, okay, regarding if any business or industry they want to set up or start. For that first the main important thing is gathering or collection of data. Then feasibility study, after they will try to gather the data which is there, okay, that will be done in different factors like social, technological, economic factors. Then project report. Now formulation of the project report had to be done. Now there certain calculation has to be done, okay, like calculation for land and building, like how many acres of land has to be purchased, and what is the cost of construction of building, then how much raw materials are required, and all that calculating part has to be done. Then techno-economic analysis, that is technological and economic analysis, like how the technology has been advancing, so how they can try to implement the new technology. And economic means what? Like related to whether there is a proper demand and supply. Then input analysis, it is depending upon the identification and evaluation of analysis. Identification means what? Trying to identify, try to find out. And evaluation means the judging. Then social cost benefits means whether the project formulation which is there, it is benefited to the society or beneficial to the society or not. Then project appraisal, how we give the appraisal or rating for the employees performance, okay, like very good, excellent, very good, good, average, poor, like that way. For project also the appraisal had to be given, rating should be given whether it is a good rating or a bad rating. So these are the various stages of project formulation. Thank you.